First thing we're going to do is just work on our soup. That takes the longest. So anything that you're doing in any recipe, the longest you want to go first. So,
okay, so what kind of mushrooms are those?
These are shiitake.
Okay.
Right? And then you can use, I like in the soup, is a really potent, beautiful mushroom is a porcini. So I have some porcinis.
Okay.
I love porcini mushrooms.
And if you can't find any fresh or frozen, you can use the dry. They have some dry.
Oh,
and they work
that's
just
true.
as
I've
well.
seen those.
Yeah. So that's totally fine. Olive oil.
A little olive oil in a pot. Okay.
All right. What I like to do first is get the mushrooms
Okay.
caramelized, because then it just brings out a beautiful
Okay.
flavor.
And they're just big chunks. They're not too tiny.
No.
And what are some nutritional values of mushrooms? Why should our family be eating them?
So mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D. It's one of the non-animal sources of vitamin D.
That's actually very interesting because a lot of children during the winter months are low on vitamin D. So
we don't get out there and get our sun exposure. It's hard depending on where you live in the winter time. So this is a great way to get vitamin D into your diet.
That's very good to know.